if you want your baby to enjoy their meals like this, why not stick around and see what I mix together? And here is a good fat avocado. This will make your baby chubby. And I also have one egg. I'll be using only the yolk. Then I will also be making use of Greek yogurt. So you can use any type of natural yogurt, but I'm making use of Greek yogurt. I also be making use of banana to sweeten it up. That's all I have inside my baby's plate, so I will go ahead and mash it. So if you are looking for a food that will make your baby to, I don't want to use the word fat, a food that will make your baby to be chubby, healthy, fine and smooth, try this food, guys. Try this. So I just mash all together. My baby is 1 year already, so I don't need to make it very smooth. But if your baby is 6 months or 4 months, you can mash this very well. Or better still, use a blender to blend this if your baby is 4 months or 6 months. So guys, and that is it. I will go ahead and start giving it to my baby as his breakfast, and he loves it a lot. Like anytime I make this food, before he say Jack Robinson, he will finish everything and also be looking for more. Look at him enjoying it. See the way he opens his mouth. And that is it for today's video. Hope you like this video, share and also subscribe to my channel. I have other recipes of the food that I give to my baby. You know that I make homemade. I don't give my baby any shop bought food except like when he started drinking formula, that's milk. But apart from that, any other food that my baby eats, I make it at home. Cereal, and I have a lot of baby's food on my channel, recipes of different kinds of baby's food on my channel. The ones that I have time to edit, I edit and put, and other ones I will still be putting it up. Okay, so guys, remain blessed. Bye and see you in my next video. Please share and subscribe.